Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Pipedrive with LinkedIn activity logging step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the settings menu located in the top right corner. Select integrations from the options available in the settings. Locate the LinkedIn integration option within the list. Click on the LinkedIn integration to access its settings. You will see an option to authenticate your LinkedIn account. Click on the Authenticate button. A new browser window will open, prompting you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Sign In. Once logged in, grant Pipedrive permission to access your LinkedIn activities. After granting permissions, you will be redirected back to your Pipedrive account. Confirm that your LinkedIn account is now authenticated in the integration settings. Next, enable the activity logging feature. This feature allows Pipedrive to log your LinkedIn activities automatically. Adjust any additional settings according to your preferences. Finally, save your changes to ensure everything is set up correctly. Your Pipedrive account is now successfully authenticated with LinkedIn activity logging. You can now take advantage of enhanced tracking and engagement features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.